Today, we're unboxing the iPhone 14. As you can see, the design on the box is still the same slim, minimalistic design that we all love from Apple. Let's open up the box. Just tear the green strips on the back. We got the iPhone 14 Midnight Blue. It also comes in a new light shade of blue, a new light shade of purple, Starlight, and the new product red. The box also brings highlights on new features like the new eSIM option, as well as a sticker and a little booklet with more terms and legal jargon. And last but not least, the iPhone 14 comes with a brand new USB-C iPhone charger, yet still no box. That one you'd have to buy extra. Let's set it up now. First, we need to remove the protective white sticker. Then, just like the other iPhones, on the right hand of the phone, leave press the power button to turn it on. You should leave it pressed until you see the white Apple logo pop up. Here we have it, the hello sign in multiple languages. Let's swipe up to open the screen. Pick a language, in my case English, select the country that you're from, and now let's transfer your information from your old iPhone to your new. If you have iOS 11 or later, take advantage of this fast and hands-off quick start setup. Just tap your old phone with the new one, and you should see a pop-up on your old phone. Once they connect, you should see this blue code on the iPhone 14, which you need to scan with your old phone. Now pick a 6-digit passcode for your new iPhone 14. Set up Face ID. Transfer your data, which I recommend you do from your old phone. Agree to the terms and conditions, but first always make sure you read them first. And that's about it. Now you're free to put away your old phone and press continue on your new phone. At this point, it will ask you to re-enter your card information for any cards that you had on your digital wallet. Do that on your own time. Then, it'll ask you to be part of the Apple Beta software program. You can choose to be part of it or not, your choice. And then, accept the emergency SOS. And now, you have a brand new iPhone 14 ready to go. If you have an iPhone older than the X, then this phone will have so many new things that you're seeing now for the first time. But anything older than the X, what you're looking at now is pretty much standard. There you have it, the new iPhone 14. If you want to see everything that's new with the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Pro, make sure to subscribe and watch part 2 of this series.